It's Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com. What we're going to do today is flush the Wave Runner. This piece here you have to get from Yamaha, or you can get any of this, make sure it's genuine Yamaha. This is your flush plug. It looks like a quick connect, but it's got a piece that locks it in there. You can just use a funnel. Some people use a funnel with a hose, but I do have this set up for the boat, so I do use this. It's a little more of a, complicated setup, but you can just run it through a hose with this. But I like using the pump and everything because I have it. So what we do is we start the engine. And what I'm going to have you do, Nick, is just flick that thing on when I start it up, because I have to pull this. Actually, wait a minute. Let me get the thing out so I can watch. So I don't have to hold it. That's all there is to it for these. Now these do not have intercoolers on them. They are the VX Deluxe. They're not the super sport model that has an intercooler. That's a little different. Look for a different video for that. But VX Deluxe, the VX models that don't have the supercharger in them, this is how you do it. I'm gonna fog the cylinders for the winter on this. What you do is take out your air cleaner out of here. The air gets sucked through here, in here, goes right into the cylinders. Then what you do is you just kill it. That's all there is to it.
Hey guys, this is Nick from ReviewOutlaw.com. As you can see, I get some mold on my Jetski seat here. So I'm going to use some of this magic eraser, Mr. Clean, to try to get rid of that. And then I'm going to protect it with some 303 marine protection. So you're just going to take your Mr. Clean and just get it a bit wet. The whole thing, you can do just the corner, soak it a little bit. And take that guy. You can see before is pretty bad. See, as I scrub, it's pretty much gone. Another spot. I'm just gonna take that mold right off. And then once you're done, you're going to wipe it dry. And then use that 303 to protect it. So that's the best way to clean up your jet ski seats. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel, click here to watch more videos, or please give me a thumbs up. Thanks.